In this video, I'll show you how to edit Overleaf resume template. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all, open the template which you want to edit. I want to edit this template, so I'll just open it. Now click on open as template, and now on the right hand side on the top you will see the option for download PDF. So just click here. Once you download the resume PDF, just type now PDF editor, and here you will find couple of websites and you can use any of them. So let's suppose I open the first one. This is also good, you can use this as well. And here we just need to click on upload PDF file, select the PDF which we have downloaded now. So this is the one, and now here you can see we got the full access to edit the template. Like if I want to edit this, so I can just type anything I want. Let's suppose I type here ABCD, and if you want to edit this text you can just do that as well. According to you, you can just edit everything you want. Once you are done with the editing, click on apply changes. Once you do that, they will process your file, and once they are complete with the processing, you will see the option for download. Just click here, and now you can see the edited PDF which we have downloaded from Overleaf. So yeah, that's how you can edit Overleaf resume template. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe me? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.